Ulta has a new sample kit available, the Scents of the Season kit with 13 favorite scents of the season. So the kit is $30 with a $59 value. Find your favorite scent in the Beauty Box by Ulta Beauty Scents of the Season. If I do get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Now, the kit does include Azario The Most Wanted Eau Perfume Intense, 0.05 ounces. Caroline Herrera Bad Boy Cobalt Eau de Perfume, 0.05 ounces. Clinique Happy for Men Cologne Spray, 0.05 ounces. Dolce & Gabbana K by Dolce & Gabbana Eau de Toilette, 0.02 ounces. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Pour Homme Eau de Toilette, 0.02 ounces. Armani Aqua di Gio Eau de Toilette, 0.04 ounces. John Varvarstus, the John Varvarstus Eau de Toilette, 0.05 ounces. Paco Rabanne, 1 billion. Elixir, 0.05 ounce. Prada Luna Rosa Ocean Eau de Toilette, 0.04 ounces. Ralph Lauren Polo Red Eau de Toilette, 0.04 ounces. Ralph Lauren Ralph's Club Perfume, 0.04 ounces. Versace Eros Eau de Toilette, 0.03 ounces. Yves Saint Laurent White Eau de Toilette, 0.04 ounces. I hope you guys are having a great one, and I'll see you soon. Bye.